So here we are at our website. This will predict, given a location, the sea level change and the risk associated with that sea level change due to flooding, storming, and other tidal disruptions that could happen. So our first test case is Virginia Beach. So here we have this line of best fit. So this is data from 1993 to 2022. So using this data, the computer will extrapolate it to take future measurements and to estimate these measurements such that we can estimate the risk at that time. So for Virginia Beach, low risk is already here, but in medium risk will come out in the middle of the 22nd century. So moving on to a second test case, let's go to Washington, D.C. So low risk for Washington, D.C. is surprisingly already here, but that makes sense because it's near the Potomac River and somewhat close to the Atlantic Ocean. Medium risk will also come here in the middle of the 22nd century. For Wichita, now moving on to a third test case, which is Wichita. This is in the middle of Kansas, so it would be no surprise here if we saw it almost never get these, soon dates of sea level change. And yeah, as we can see, it will almost never actually reach these levels of sea level. So, thank you.